Creating the purl stitch. To begin the purl stitch, take your working needle and bring it into the front of your stitch so that your working needle sits on top of your left needle. Wrap your yarn around your front working needle and pass your stitch through to the back. Now lift the stitch off your left needle and you have one purl stitch on your working needle. Bring your needle into the front of the next stitch. Wrap your yarn around the front of your needle. Pass your stitch through to the back and lift off your stitch. You now just continue to repeat this process, knitting every stitched purl for this row. And when you get to the final stitch, you simply purl this stitch as the rest, lift off, and that's a full row of purl stitch complete.